Hello everyone, today I'm going to make a video for TWS F9. I think this one is the fifth version and true wireless earbud with power bank. Okay, what is the features? It's wireless, hands-free and digital display, touch control, power bank. Okay, the next one is true wireless earbud control with each other without any wires. Portable and lightweight with on the go charging case. Okay, sports design, fit the shape of the ear perfectly and properly. Okay, built-in microphone. Okay, rechargeable storage case, charge your earbuds even when you are on the go, with power bank with digital display. Okay, next is W handle, black, white, blue, black and white. Okay, G handle and display screen, black, white, blue, black and white. Okay, display screen, then okay. Okay, so next I'm going to start it. I'm going to open this. Okay, so let's open what is inside. Let me check. So inside is okay, this one's a cable. Oh, it's okay, it's good for different earbuds for different ears, so it can be easy for you if you want to use the small one or the big one. Okay, that's a manual as well. So there's a charging pin. Okay, so what is here? Okay, so this is a case. Actually, I think from this side I can open. Okay, and these are the two more things. As you can see, I open, it start connecting automatically. I don't know what happened, so I will check later. Let me try how it will charge. Okay, I think this side from here. Okay, this side from here. Okay, the both sides is getting charged automatically. It's showing me 52%. Okay, that's good. That's cool. From here I can see as well. I'm not sure you can see in the camera or no. It's good. Looking good. I can see here it's charging. That's 52% charge. It's still charging. Okay, so I will try to connect with my mobile Android. So now I'm going to try with this Samsung Android mobile. Okay, so first of all I have to go in settings. After that in connections. In the connections I will switch on the Bluetooth. Okay, so I can check from the Bluetooth. Okay, so let me open this. My mobile is on, so I will just open this one and I will keep open this as well. I'm just trying to scan F9. It's here, so I will click on that. It start pairing. Okay. Oh, it's good. So it's showing me the 80% of the battery. So it's easy to connect. Okay, I will try to find some music. Let's suppose I will try that YouTube. I will just escape. I will just play this one. Yeah, it's working. If I can give you a voice, so let me try with the touch. It's working. See, if I will touch here, it will stop. If I will touch again, it will start. It's super good. So I can stop or play the video. So it's mean, let me check from this one as well. Yeah, both are working. Even you will use the right or the left, doesn't matter. Both will work perfectly. The connectivity is super good. I like that. Okay, let me try with only one. Okay, I will put this one on charging. It's close. When I will put the charging, it's close. So I will try this one. It's working. Even I can use only one. I don't need to use both at one time. So I can use only one as well. Okay, let me try one more thing. Let's suppose if I will put this one battery is down, so I will put on the charging. I will keep the other one. So what will happen? I will try to do this one. It's because it's pairing. I will wait a while. Yeah, it's working. It's working fine. Yeah, it's working. Touches as well good. So let's talk about the charging. It's very good. That's about the connectivity. Connectivity also very good. And this is the charging cord. And there's 2 pairs of extra these rubbers. If you can feel that it's not fit to you, so you can change that one. And the rest of all, it's very good. I think I will recommend to all. Hope so you will like as well. And I didn't saw any bad comment or any bad feedback for this product. I like that product, so I can give to anyone, or I can use it as well.